apparently, because all I'm hearing is the background, like Alexa and Rachel can't stop talking.
Hey, you're on.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, Alexa?
What did you say? He didn't really mean that. Oh, you're off speaker now. Hold on, I'm gonna put you back on speaker. There we go. What did he say?
Said he didn't really mean that.
Oh, you're back on speaker. Wait, what did he say?
He said he's sorry, he didn't really mean that.
Hello? It's okay.
Sam?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. I was like, are you still there? See, Brandon, you're a jerk, so this is my voice. And Lalo.
Who's Lalo?
You're jerks. Brandon's friend. Lalo.
Lalo?
That's a weird name.
Yeah.
It's really Lalo Latita.
It's weird.
It's like a weird. Hi.
I like the camera.
Paige, you zoomed in all the way.
Okay. Is Megan there? She's in her room?
Wait.
Wait a second. You live with Megan?
Duh.
Megan is
You didn't know that?
the stepsister.
Duh.
I didn't know that.
Wow.
I thought they're like cousins or something.
No, my stepbrother.
I didn't know they were
Didn't you and Megan go out in like second grade?
Yeah.
No?
Didn't you guys ever go out?
No?
Yeah, you did. Everyone says that you did, and then you end up being brother and sister.
That's weird.
Awkward.
Went out.
Oh. So didn't you like used to like her before you knew me?
I never liked her.
Oh. I know Anthony did.
Dude. Where are those glasses?
Come on. Are you?
Why?
Is it broken?
Dude, I wanted those. I look like a total hippie.
Hello?
Paige, remember? Paige,
You're calling me.
you want some?
I'm so happy. I'm gonna make one of you.
No.
Whoa, don't touch me there. Smack my foot. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
It's all mine. Who's that, Raymond? Who's that? Who's Raymond?
Hot dude.
Hot dude. Yeah?
So why are you visiting?
What?
Why are you like visiting?
Why am I here?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm visiting because my mom lives here.
Your mom lives here? Your mom lives here?
Yeah, but my dad lives in Astoria.
Oh,
You come here like every...
Other weekend. Yeah. So I probably will go to the loop like 5 times a year.
You haven't been telling me?
Well, you know, we just kind of saw each other for the first time in 2 years.
What's up with that?
dude, don't you? That's so bad.
Dude, I'm not ready for that.
Ow! Why didn't you tell me that at like the roof? How happy that would have made me?
I said how happy.
Is it how happy? Paige.
No.
I see London.
Oh,
I see
well, yeah.
Paige.
Don't.
I see Pages.
What color are they?
Oh,
They're electric green. Well, they were. Well, now they're
They
pink.
actually
Because
were.
they were. They're really cute. Hello? Did you hear that?
I don't know.
Okay, good.
Why would you say?
Nothing. Girl stuff.
Dude, I have dots on my legs.
What?
Tell me.
Let's look at this.
Okay, we're talking
I
about
have dots on my
underwear.
legs.
I'm good now. Yeah, thanks.
Dude, it's recording.
It's recording.
Nice, Rachel.
I turned it on. I need to brush my teeth.
I didn't bring a toothpaste.
Dude, your toothpaste and toothbrush are in my house. Okay? Thank you very much.
Are you still recording me?
Yes, so.
We left it on.
Yeah,
Whoa, dude, stop. That's in a double.
Double it?
Oh, whoa. Alexa, that's... Whoa.